Hi everyone, it's a great day and I hope you are having a great time at the comfort of your own home. This is Teacher Kevin giving you your kind of K. We can go serious. We can go funny. We can go real. We can go fancy. But every time I teach, I do it with sincerity. This is DepEd TV. Today, we are going to infer how one's lifestyle can affect the functioning of the respiratory and circulatory system. Are you excited? Well, me too. So, fasten your seatbelts because we will be having another day of learning and fun. Eating nutritious food, doing regular exercise, and getting adequate sleep daily can make your respiratory system, cardiovascular or circulatory system, and immune system stronger. These activities will give your body enough knowledge, skills, attitudes towards a healthy lifestyle.
We will be having an interview with Dr. Justin D. Caraos, Medical Officer 3 of SDO Calambas City, about the importance of a balanced diet, exercise, and adequate sleep.
So as a student, we need at least 1 to 2 hours of exercise every day. So why do we need to exercise? So when we are exercising, it increases our endorphin. So what is endorphin? So endorphin is a hormone in our body, so which are secreted in our pituitary gland in our brain, which increases our mood ability. So we need proper nutrition, like in girls. So we need to have adequate iron intake in our body. So especially for the girls, so during their menstruation, so they have a tendency to decrease their iron in their body, so they need to have a supplements because a decrease in iron, it also decreases the dopamine level in our body, which decreases the cognitive level or or the learning ability. So like this, the thiamine, the vitamin E, iodine, and zinc. So this, when you have a deficiency in these vitamins, it directly affects in our cognitive abilities and our mental concentration. And another is the amino acid and carbohydrates. So where do we get this amino acid and carbohydrates? So with sufficient carbohydrates intake, so a well-balanced diet, it increases our perceptions and intuitions and reasoning ability that helps us in a study.
Nowadays, since we are experiencing this pandemic, most transactions, including work and study, are being done in front of the computer, where we just sit for a couple of hours and therefore tend to skip meals. Bad! Science has revealed that for us to have a healthy body, we need to be eating the right food for our age and body. And it's also about having fitness routines that can help prevent diseases like hypertension, stress, high cholesterol, diabetes, and even simple respiratory diseases like cough, colds, asthma, sinusitis, and allergies. And of course, we do not want to have those kind of diseases, not at this time and never at any moment. Also, preventing the coronavirus to enter our systems can be learned. In these succeeding activities, you will learn a cardiovascular exercise that will help you to strengthen the heart muscle and make the respiratory tract clear and free from particulates in the environment. And we will have someone to demonstrate those exercises. We will also be doing some breathing exercises and muscle stretching before we proceed to the different exercises. But before we continue, we need the following: any pair of rubber shoes, a jump rope, and a space for us to move freely. It does not necessarily mean that you must go to the gym. An open space in your house will be perfect. Now, grade 9 learners, are you ready to meet our very special guest for today? Perfect! Here is our special guest, a colleague of mine from SDO Marinduque. It's Teacher Grace Martin.
Hi, Teacher Kevin. Hello, students.
How are you doing, Teacher Grace?
I'm good, sir.
We know that during this pandemic, most of us are not allowed to exercise outside, and many of us spend our time like eating, playing mobile games, and sleeping, unlike in the old normal. Do you have any tips on how to have an active body while staying in the comfort of our own homes?
Actually, Sir Kevin, we may do simple stretching and indoor workouts and by simply doing household chores.
Wow, that is awesome! Now, grade 9 learners, before we go to our first learning task, let us first have a quick look at the importance of doing a jumping exercise.
Jumping rope helps develop better body awareness, hand and foot coordination, and agility.
And for your safety, the jump rope must be adjusted to your height. Stand with both feet in the middle of the rope and extend the handles to your armpits. That's the height you're going for. If it's too long, cut or tie it to avoid tripping on the rope. To start with, jog forward as you swing the jump rope over your head and under your feet. Do this move for 15 seconds. Ready? And go! Now, you will reverse your direction and jog backward as you continue to swing the jump rope. We will do it for 15 seconds. Now, you will finish your set by doing a hopscotch for 15 seconds. How to do it? To do this move, jump rope in place, and as you jump, alternate between jumping your feet out to the sides and then back to the center, similar to how you'd move them while doing jumping jacks. Do this step for 15 seconds. Thank you so much, Teacher Grace, for sharing your fitness tips with us.
You're welcome, Teacher Kevin.
After doing the jumping rope exercises, you will rest for 15 seconds between sets, and you have to repeat it 18 times. If you are an intermediate exerciser, you can perform the moves for 30 seconds and rest for 30 seconds between sets. The advanced circuit should be performed for 60 seconds at a time, followed by 60 seconds of rest. Wow, it feels so good whenever we move our body. We can feel the blood circulating fast, and the hunger for air is amazing. This time, you will be signing a commitment form, and here it goes. I pledge to do these physical activities for the month of... You will write your signature over your printed name and the date as well. Well, doing these exercises in this time of pandemic can relieve our anxieties and stress, and it's fun to do. Moving on to our next learning task, you will be looking at the chart and figure. You will prepare a monthly health pledge using this too. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Here is the table that you are going to accomplish. What are the things that you will cut down on each week? You can choose as many answers as you can. You can also combine them if you want. The choices are A. TV watching, B. Video and computer games, C. Sitting still for long periods of time, What are the things that you will do 2 to 3 times a week? You can choose as many answers as you want. Again, you can also combine them. Choices are leisure activities, A. Reading, B. Gardening, C. House cleaning. For strength and flexibility, D. Stretching, E. Push-ups or pull-ups, and F. Martial arts. What are the things that you will do 3 to 5 times a week? You can choose as many answers as you want. Again, you can also combine them. Choices are aerobic exercises, A. Biking, B. Swimming, C. Dancing. For recreational activities, D. Basketball, E. Soccer, F. Volleyball. And finally, what are the things that you will do every day? You can choose as many answers as you want. Again, you can also combine them. Choices are A. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. B. Do work around the house or yard. C. Drink plenty of water. D. Walk or bike to get where you need to go. E. Walk or bathe your pet. And F. Get outside and be active. Alright, you have signed your monthly health commitment form, but let us seal it with the pledge. I pledge to do these physical activities for the month of... You will write your signature over your printed name and the date as well. Hi grade 9 learners! Today we are going to prepare a simple dish for you. This is a healthy one and all the ingredients are found just within your reach. I will be preparing kangkong or water cabbage and tofu as our main ingredients. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For this meal, we need the following: 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 chopped onion, 1 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 cup water, ground pepper, 1 bowl of kangkong leaves, 3 pieces tofu cut into small bite-sized pieces, cooking oil. First, we will fry the tofu until crispy. Then, we will set it aside. We will saute the onion and let it caramelize. Next, we will put the minced garlic. Wait until it turns brown. Then, we will add the water, soy sauce, sugar, and kangkong leaves. We will add salt and pepper to taste. We will simmer everything for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, we will now add the fried tofu. And now our kangkong with tofu is ready to serve. Wow! Indeed, a nutritious meal doesn't have to be expensive. You just have to be healthy. For our next activity is you will be preparing your own meal plan for a week using this table. Make sure that you have a good combination of balanced, healthy, but not expensive food. Remember that your family will benefit from this menu. Prepare a table showing the nutritional contents and benefits of the itemized menu of today. And for our last activity for this day, we will find out the health status of your family. From the previous activity about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, choose 5 questions for you to analyze and identify the status of your family's health. List down the answers of each of your family members. Write all their answers on a sheet of paper. 1. What influences the health of a person's whole family? Question number 2. What would you change in your life to make yourself healthier? Question number 3. How will you ensure that you get the deep, restful, and sound sleep that you need to stay healthy? Question number 4. Is smoking a healthy habit? Why? Question number 5. What kind of physical activities should we do to improve our health? Question number 6. How often was an answer mentioned by a family member? Question number 7. What answers were the least mentioned? What were the most mentioned? Question number 8. What can you infer from the responses for each question? And question number 9. Give the summary of your findings and conclusions. Before we wrap up today's lesson about living a healthy lifestyle, I am encouraging you to post a video or pictures of you doing exercises, doing recreational activities, or eating healthy food. Post it in your social media account with the hashtag Healthy Lifestyle. Remember that we must be extra careful at this critical time. So, make yourself strong and healthy. Eat well to live well. See you next time with more fun learning activities. This is Teacher Kevin Domingo and this is DepEd TV.